Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix no output audio device found on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error no output device or no output audio device found on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to open your device manager, click on search, then type your device manager. Here you can see view, click on that, then click on show hidden devices. As you can see, now your audio device is visible. Now you can try and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. After doing this, still your issue has not resolved, then what you have to do? Just click on this sound and video game controller. In this you need to update your audio device. Suppose if this is your audio, right click on that, click on update driver, then click on search automatically for update drivers. After completing, just close this window and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. After doing all this, still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do? You have to just open the control panel. Click on this view by as large icon. Open this sound setting. Here you need to select the proper output audio device. Suppose if you are using headphone or speaker separately, just you need to select any one of them, then click on set as default, then click OK. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix no output audio device found on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.